want y'all to see how delicious these wings are. They are crunchy. This is the barbecue sauce, the sweet chipotle. Guys, I'm going in. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some Foster Farms takeout crispy wings from frozen in the air fryer. I got these from Costco, and guys, these are so amazing. I do believe that they do compare, in my opinion, to takeout quality. If you're giving takeout a 10, I would give these guys about an 8. These are the two that I picked out. This is actually my second time getting the sweet chipotle barbecue. This is probably my favorite out of the two that I'm going to show you guys today. So guys, this is a 4-pound bag, 64 ounces. And this one is called the Foster Farms Takeout Crispy Wings Sweet Chipotle. The sauce on this is so delicious, and I'm actually going to show you guys the packet. So a serving size on this is 9 pieces, 150 calories, and if you do 2 tablespoons of the sauce, then that's going to be an extra 80 calories. This right here is the only ingredient other than the chicken that I'm going to use, and this is my Misto olive oil sprayer. It's 150 calories for 9 pieces, just like the sweet chipotle ones. But if you're using 2 tablespoons of the hot wing sauce, it's only an additional 10 calories. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get in the video. Here we go. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get our air fryer preheated. This is the basket that we're going to be using, and this is the Gourmia 6-quart air fryer from Costco. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and preheat this. Preheat is already automatically on 400 degrees. Then we're going to hit start. It's going to give us 20 minutes. Preheat is about 5 minutes. I do recommend that you preheat most food items, especially something like chicken wings or something that's frozen. I do recommend that you preheat. If you don't use the preheat setting, you can just let the air fryer go for about 5 minutes, and then you can go ahead and pop your food in. So we're gonna let this go ahead and preheat, and I will be right back. Air fryer is about to be done preheating. It didn't beep at me yet, but it's been 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and start loading in our wings. So yeah, this is the Misto olive oil sprayer. I'm using one hand to do this, but I kind of wanted to show you guys. That's the pump right there. You don't want to shake it up, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray it in there, and it sprays pretty evenly once I got the hang of it. And what I do with the packets, I just run some hot water in the bowl, just from the tap, and just kind of sit those packets in there. You don't have to do any type of boiling water, just water from the tap, and you're gonna sit that in there while your wings are in the air fryer cooking. Okay, let's go back to the air fryer. Alright guys, so we're down to about 6 minutes left. And I want to show you what it looks like. I'm going to see if I can brighten this up a little bit for you. And look, can you hear the sizzle? You can hear the sizzle on these chicken wings. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn my chicken wings, and I'm going to do that off camera because again, I'm just using one hand today to film. So I'll be right back guys, hang tight. Okay, so I'm almost done flipping them over. I just wanted you guys to see me turn over a cup. The olive oil has really done its job. There was barely any sticking to the bottom of this, although this is a non-stick surface. You know, of course some things is gonna stick, but guys, that came out pretty good. So now we're gonna go ahead and put that in for another 5 minutes or so, and let's see what we get. All right, going back in for another 5 minutes. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take out our wings. Ooh, there's a close-up of the wings right there. I'm actually gonna get a better shot. Hold on guys. So yes, the wings are done. I really wanted to plate this using my overhead camera shot, but I felt like that wasn't giving you guys all the essence of these wings. So I let these cook for about 16 minutes because I do like my wings hard and crunchy. Well done. I hope you guys can really see what this air fryer can do to some frozen wings. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get these out the air fryer. I don't know if you guys can hear the crisp on these wings. And look, this is the serving size. This is 9 wings, guys. This is the serving size. Like, really, this is a lot of wings for what, 200 calories? So I'm gonna get them all out of there, and hopefully you guys can get a better shot of what these wings look like coming straight out of the air fryer. Yes, air fryer wings, frozen air fryer wings. So good, so bomb. All right guys, I hope you like this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Happy to have you guys as a part of my YouTube family, and thank you so much for all of your kind words and for your support. All right guys, I'm getting ready to smash these wings. Look at that, girl. Yes. All right guys, have a good night. I want y'all to see how delicious these wings are. They are crunchy. This is the barbecue sauce, the sweet chipotle. Guys, I'm going in. This wing was nice, hot, crispy, and delicious. Nice and hot. I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like. Let's pull another one. Let's see. See this guy. I'll dip it right here. Take a bite. You can still see like the steam was coming off of there. Bye y'all.